Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained about find the differential equation. Suppose the given equation is sum ax square plus by square equal to 1, where a and b are the arbitrary constants. Therefore, then we taken second order derivative. That means we have to take the first time derivative, and after that we have to derivative with respect to x. So we can remove the a and b in that value, in that equation. We got the differential equation. Okay, students, already I completed many questions. So right now, today we are going to discuss about the students the differential equations of the first order and first degree equations. Dear students, there are 5 exercises are there. That means the first exercises is the variable separable, and second one is the homogeneous differential equation, and third one non-homogeneous differential equation, and the fifth one, students, linear differential equation, and the exact differential equation, that one is not in the syllabus. Okay, students, major here JEE mains point of view, the very important concept is the linear differential equation and also homogeneous. Dear students, when given that the differential equation, here mainly the differential equation classified into the 5 types. Those are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all in the first degree and first order differential equations. So in generally, the first order and first degree differential equation may or may not be have a solution. So suppose the equations are these in forms, undoubtedly we will find the solutions of the when the differential equation is in the form. Okay, students, the what is the first one? The differential equations of the first order and the first degree. There are 5 types. The first one is variable separable type. Second one, homogeneous differential equation. Third one is the non-homogeneous differential equation. Fourth one is the linear differential equation. Fifth one is the exact differential equation. So dear students, from today onwards, up to the completion of the differential equations, we have the question framing is solve the differential equation. So then you can identify it is in the variable separable. First you can check it is not there. After that you can identify it is a homogeneous, it is not there, then you can non-homogeneous, finally linear and exact equations. Okay, students, right now we are going to discuss about the variable separable type. Okay, students, dear students, let us suppose the equation the dy by dx in the f1 is in terms of x, f2 is in terms of y. Then we separating the variables, that means we sending the x's here. This is, students, how to write this one. We can just cross multiplication. We got the dy into f2y, dx into f1x. So we can write the x side of the dx and also write the y side of dy. Then you can apply the integrating on both sides. Then it is, students, the integral f1x dx equal to integral f2y dy. Okay, students, after simplification, after the integrals, we got the general solution of the one. We got the, students, general solution of the one. Okay, now I will explain the one question, students. I will explain the one question of the variable separable type. Okay, students. Dear students, solve the first order first degree equation. Okay, student, just you can identify the variable separable method. Dear students, we can write the dy by y equal to 2 into dx by x. Okay, students, into y is the by dx and into the other side. This is the variable separable. Dear students, applying on both sides integral 1 by y dy 2 into dx by x. Dear students, we can written as this is 2 into log x. What students? 1 by x dx is the log x, equal to 1 by y is the log y. So when we can observe, the log x is there, here log y is there, the constant, integral constant, we take some log c or c. Therefore, dear students, this is the log of x square. This is the log a plus log b, log yc. Remove on both sides log, then we got students the x square equal to cy. When you can differentiating on with respect to x, we got this one. Okay students, x square equal to cy. Okay, how to write this one? We can take first the variable separable. Okay students, now solve the next question. The x plus y into dy by dx equal to 0. Dear students, when we are taking the LCM, x into dx, y into dy equal to 0. Now dear students, apply the integrals. Integral x dx, integral y dy, integral 0 is the undoubtedly the constant. This is the students x square by 2, y square by 2 equal to c. Integral of 0 means that will be the constant students. Now we can taking the plus c. Therefore dear students, we got x square plus y square equal to 2 into c 2c. This is the required equation. When you can derivative, this is the 2x, this is the 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. Then we got like this. Okay students. Now we are going to discuss about the next one, the dy by dx by. So what you do here, we can write the variable separable means we can send into the x one side and y other side. Therefore students, the one more question is the dy by dx. What students we take? The dy by dx equal to, I have to take right now the dy by dx equal to, dear students, the another question, 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. How to solve this students? It is the one of the important, one of the easiest one. Dy by 1 plus y square, dx by 1 plus x square. Dear students, applying on both sides integrals. Okay students, 1 by 1 plus y square is the tan inverse of y. This is the tan inverse of x. Similarly like this, we have to take the constant is the c. Okay students, are you understand? Let us now start. Dear students, solve. The dy by dx equal to e power x plus y. What is the students? The dy by dx equal to e power x plus y. Dear students, first we take the x plus y is the t. What students? The x plus y is the t. Okay. The derivative of x is the 1. The derivative of x is 1. The derivative of y is dy by dx equal to the dt by dx. What students? Dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1. Dear students, we can write the dt by dx minus 1 e power t. E power t. So students, the dy by dx is nothing but dt by dx. Okay students, minus 1. Now we can written as the students the dt by dx equal to, what student you can write? E power t plus 1. E power t plus 1. Okay students, how to write this one? dt by e power t plus 1 equal to students the dx. Okay students, so when you can take x plus y, dear students, t, so this is the, you can write e power t. Dear students, we can observe here what student is there. So when you can take this one, Again get the answer, students. How to get this one? We have to know that indefinite integral. The one more method is also there, students. We can write the directly the dy by dx equal to e power x into e power y, students. So dear students, we got the directly the e power minus y dy equal to e power x into dx. Okay students, how to get here? This is, you can send into the other side. 1 by e power y is the e power minus y. Now students, we can write e power minus y, the integral, this is the minus, equal to e power x. The integral constant is the c. Dear students, we can write the e power x plus e power minus y equal to c. This is the solution. Okay students, how to get this one? Another method is, we can write a power m plus n is the a power m into a power n. This is the 1 by e power y is the e power minus y dy. Integral of e power x is the e power x. E power minus y minus. Okay, by minus 1. Therefore plus c. This is sending other side. This is also one answer. So another one, I have to take in the x plus y is the t. The derivative of x1, dy by dx, dt by dx. Therefore students, how to write this is e power t plus 1 and the minus of e power t. This is the e power t plus 1 dt, integral of 1 into dx. Dear students, what you get students here? The simple, you can observe, this is the students, the e power t plus 1 by e power t plus 1 is the 1, minus of e power t, the minus of e power t upon, this is the integral of minus 1 dt, after e power t upon e power t plus 1 dt equal to x plus c. Dear students, the integral of 1 dt is the t. 1 dt is the t minus, what you get, minus f dash x by f of x. Dear students, this is the f dash of x by f of x is the log mod of f of x, log mod of e power t plus 1 equal to students the x plus c. What is the x students? T students, x plus y minus of e power t plus 1 equal to x plus c. X cancel. Okay students, x cancel. We have also get y equals to logarithm of e power x plus y plus 1 plus c. This is also one of the answer students. How to get this one? You can write 1 by e power y after LCM. This is also students, how to get this one? The e power of, are you understand students? This is, you can write 1 by e power y, that is e power x plus 1. So then it is sending to the other side e power y. So after simplification we got like this students. But this is the answer. When you know that how to simplify, this is the e power x 1 by e power y equal to c. This is, you can write e power x plus y plus 1 c e power y students. So dear students, what you can understand here, the c can be written as this side or other side, whatever it may be. This is the 1 by c also. So when you can apply the log on both sides, y equal to, log e value is the 1, y equal to, dear students, y equal to, undoubtedly we got the, you can revert the, undoubtedly you got log of e power x plus 1 by c. Log of a b is the log a plus log b. 1 by c you can write as, how to get this one? 1 by c is nothing but c. Log of 1 by c is nothing but c. Are you understand students? After the simplification we got like this. So this is the variable separable. Okay students. Dear students, now another one, we taking the common is the x here. This is the y square plus 1 into dx. Here y is the common students, the x square plus 1 dy. Dear students, now we can written as this one, x by x square plus 1 into dx. Dear students, this one. Now the y by y square plus 1 dy equal to 0. So what you do, students, when we are taking the LCM here, x into y square plus 1, y into x square plus 1. After that, students, applying the integral on both sides, this is the x by x square plus 1 into dx, then it is also y by y square plus 1 into dy equal to constant, students. Dear students, now we can take into 2 and by 2. Here also into 2. This is the by 2. Dear students, the derivative of x square is the 2x. The derivative of y square is the 2y. Now we can written as, students, the 1 by 2 into log mod of x square plus 1. This is also 1 by 2 into log mod of y square plus 1 equal to c. Okay, students. Now this is, students, the log of x square plus 1 plus log of y square plus 1. The LCM is the 2. Sending other side is the 2c. Dear students, the log a plus log b is the log of ab. We can write log a plus log b is the log of ab. That is x square plus 1. Okay, students, x square plus 1 y square plus 1 equal to 2c. Dear students, is there base e? What is the, students? Base e is there. Now we can base e sending other side. Dear students, the x square plus 1, the y square plus 1 equal to e power 2c. Dear students, e power 2c is nothing but constant. That can be written as, but your answer is given that x square plus 1, the y square plus 1 is given by some c. C is nothing but, are you taking k, where k is the e power 2c, where k is the e power 2c. Okay, students, this is the equation. Okay, dear students, solve the dy by dx y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. Dear student, this is y square plus y plus 1 dx by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, students, how to write this one? This is sending to here, this is the dx. We are taking the LCM is dx into x square plus x plus 1, suppose. Now this is into dx. Okay, students, when you got when we sending to the other side, then it will be dy by y square plus y plus 1. That is the, students, the dx is sending to the up, that is dx by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, students, how to write this one? Simply you can write the dy by dx, students, minus of y square plus y plus 1, the x square plus x plus 1. In the next step, dx is sending to the other side, this one there. Okay, the minus is sending to other side, it will be plus. Okay, students, this is the method. In the next step, we can apply on both sides the integral. When you can apply the integral, student, this is dy by y square plus y plus 1 plus the integral the dx by, students, x square plus x plus 1 equal to c. Okay, students, now we can write, this is how to write the, students, x square plus x plus 1. We can written as x square 2x into 1 by 2. What, students? A square 2ab. After then 1 by 4 minus of 1 by 4 plus 1. This is, students, we can write x plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is the 3 by 4. We can write, students, the x plus 1 by 2 whole square root of 3 by 2 whole square. So similarly like this also. Okay, students, the dy by we can written as, this is also same, students, a square, a is the x, 2ab into 2 by 2. After that we take 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is there plus 1. Now this is the 3 by 4. Now it will be written as root 3 by 2 whole square. Dear student, this is also we can written as y plus 1 by 2 whole square root of 3 by 2 whole square plus the integral dx by the x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to c. Dear students, we have to compare this one. We know that the integral upon x square plus a square dx. This is the form 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. What is the students the formula? The 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Dear students, 1 by a root 3 by 2 tan inverse of y plus 1 by 2 by root of 3 by 2. Similarly, we can written as students 1 by a, that is root of 3 by 2 tan inverse of x by a, x plus 1 by 2 by root of 3 by 2 equal to c. Dear students, we can written as, how to write this one? The tan inverse of 2 into y, 2y plus 1 upon root 3. This is also students the tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3. 2 into x, 2x plus 1 by root 3. Here the constant is common, that will be sending other side students. That is the, how to get students? Root 3 by 2 into c. This is nothing but we have to take the constant. What we get started, the dear students, the root 3 by 2 is the common, that will be sending other side. Root 3 by 2 into c, that is completely we take some k or c. The tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse of 2y plus 1 by root 3 equal to k. Okay students. Dear students, the solve tan y dx, tan x into dy. Dear students, we can write the dx by tan x plus the dy by tan y. When we are taking the LCM, this is tan y dx, this is the tan x dy. Dear students, now this can be written as tan x is the sin x by cos x. We can write the cos x by sin x into dx. The tan y is the sin y by cos y. This is the cos y by sin y dy. Therefore, the derivative of sin x is the cos x. This is the f dash of x by f of x. Okay students, the derivative of sin x is the cos x. The f dash of x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Dear students, this is the log mod of sin x plus this is also the log mod of sin y equal to, students, we take some log c. Constant we have to take the log c. Okay, here log is there, here also log there. Then you can take the constant is the log c. Therefore, dear students, log a plus log b, log ab. This is the sin x into sin y equal to log mod of c. Dear students, when you can remove the sin or log on both sides, we got the sin x into sin y equal to c. The sin x into sin y equal to c. What is the students? This is the tan x, this is the tan y. Tan is the sin by cos. Therefore, cos is sending to the numerator. The f dash x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Log mod sin x, log mod sin y equal to log c. Log a plus log b is the log of ab. When you can remove on both sides log, then it will be the sin x into sin y equal to c. Okay students. Solve the equation y minus x into dy by dx equal to 5 into y square plus dy by dx. Dear students, y minus x into dy by dx, 5 into y square, 5y square, 5 into dy by dx. Okay students, now this is got y minus 5y square. This is sending to the other side, x into dy by dx plus 5 into dy by dx. Here the common factor is students y into, this is the 1 minus 5y, y into 1y, this is the minus 5y square. Dear students, this is the x plus 5 into dy by dx. So how to complete this students? Here we can apply the variable separable. So undoubtedly the dx is sending to the other side. Dear students, we got the dx by x plus 5 and also the dy by y into 1 minus 5y. Okay students, how to got this one? So dear students, we have to know that this is, how to write the students? We can written as this one, 1 minus 5y plus 5y by y into 1 minus 5y. So this is complete into dy equal to dx by x plus 5. Dear students, how can you written as this one? These two are cancelled. We can written as 1 by y. Here students, this y is cancelled. We can written as 5 by 1 minus 5y into dy dx by x plus 5. What students? These two are cancelled. This is the 1 by y. Dear students, y cancel, 5 by 1 minus 5y. Okay students, how to write this one? We can written as 1 by y dy. Okay students, after you can write the minus 5 by 1 minus 5y dy, the integral of dx by x plus 5. So what students? The 1 by y is the log y. 1 by y is the log y. Dear students, the derivative of 1 0. The derivative of minus 5y is the minus 5. This is the log of f dash x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. The derivative of x is the 1, the derivative of 1 is the 0. The f dash x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. So similarly we can take this is log y. Sorry, the constant with the log c. Dear students, what you got here? This is the log a minus log b. How to write this one? Log of a by b, 1 minus 5y. Okay students, how to compare this one? Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is the log of ab. So dear students, first you can multiply with 5. After then we can sending to the minus x is the plus x, plus y square is the minus y square. In this step we have to take y common. Here the dy by dx the common. Now we are taking the variable separable method. Here you can write the small arrangement or the partial fractions. So the small arrangement is the, we take minus 5y plus 5y in the numerator. After splitting here, this is the 1 by y, this is the 5 by 1 minus 5y. So dear students, each one, this is the f dash of x by f of x. This is also the derivative of this one, this. The derivative of minus 5y is the minus 5. The derivative of x is the 1. So f dash x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Therefore students, here the log a minus log b, log of a by b, equal to students the log a plus log b, log ab, c into x plus 5. Dear students, now we can remove the log on both sides. Y by 1 minus 5y, c into x plus 5. Okay students, now we got y equal to c into x plus 5. This is the 1 minus 5y. What students we got here? This is the y equal to, we can take y equal to c into x plus 5 into 1 minus 5y. This is our the required equation. What student? This is the required equation. Okay. Dear students, we observe here directly we can sending the denominator, then it will be the students the sin y cos y dy. So dear student, this is the x 2x log x whole of dx. This is the x 2x log x. Okay students, now we can apply the integrals. This is students integral sin y dy. After the integral y cos y dy. Okay students, then you can, it is the integral x dx. After that, dear students, integral x log x dx. The integral of sin y, students, this is the cos y dy. Sorry, what is the students? The integral of sin y is the minus of cos y. Minus of cos y. Yes. Now we can apply the students by parts. I let. What students? I let. A is the algebra, T is the trigonometric. Therefore, you can apply the by part. This is the u, this is the v. Y into integral of cos y, students, sin y. Okay. Minus of students, the integral of y is the, what is the students? The derivative y into integral of cos y sin y. The derivative of y 1. The integral of cos y is the sin y. After that, the integral of sin y is the minus of cos y, minus of minus plus cos y. I can write directly, students. How to write? The derivative of y is the 1. Integral of cos y is the sin y. The integral of sin y minus cos y. Minus minus plus. This is the uv. Dear students, the next one is, we have to know that the integral of students x is the x square by 2. X square by 2. Now, how can you apply the students here? The 2 into I let. So, dear students, dear students, I let, that is log is the first one, after then x. How to write the students here? First you can write the integral of, first you can write the log x. Okay students, the integral of x is the x square by 2. First you can write, this is the u, this is the v. LA, I let, logarithm is the first, algebra is the second. Dear students, what is the next one? First you can take log x, the integral of x is this one. Now students, we can write the derivative of log x is 1 by x. The integral of x is x square by 2 whole of dx. Dear students, we can write cos y is the cancel. Now this is the students y sin y. What is the students? Y sin y equal to, what students we got here? The x square by 2 plus 2 cancel, 2 cancel, x square log x minus, dear students, 2 cancel, one time x cancel. This is the x dx. When you can multiple with 2 cancel, one time x is also cancel. Dear students, we can written as y sin y. The y sin y equal to x square by 2, x square log x. Dear student, this is the form minus x square by 2 plus c. These two are cancelled. We can written as students y into sin y. The y into sin y is the students the x square log x plus c. This is the formula. What students? The y sin y. The y sin y is the x square into log x. What students, how to find this one? Once you can cross multiplication, the second term is here uv, this is also the second term in the uv. We know that uv means first into second. Therefore students, the first u second v, that means first into integral of the second minus integral of the derivative of the first integral of the second. Okay, that is the formula. Students, solve the equation x dy minus y dx upon x dy minus y dx plus 3x square y square e power x cube dx. Dear students, we can written as x dy minus y dx by y square. We are taking the y square is here. This is the 3x square. How to write students? The 3x square e power x cube dx equal to 0. Dear students, what you can observe here, the x dy minus y dx by y square, that is the students here, this is you can write u v dash minus u v dash by v square. This is students, we can write the derivative of x by y. How to write students? The derivative of x by y, that is x into, how to write the u by v students? This is v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. Here also the v into, that means students, what you got, y into the derivative of x is the dx. Okay students, how to get that one? So here we can written as students the y dx minus, what students? The y dx minus x dy. The y dx minus x dy. How to get this student? This is students u by v whole dash is the v u dash minus u v dash by v square. The derivative of x by y students, this is the y dx minus x dy by y square. But is there, first term is the y dx, y into dx, but is not there in the first term. How to write the students? Now we are multiple with minus students. Now this is when you can multiple with minus y dx minus x dy by y square. This is the minus 3x square e power x cube dx equal to 0. Dear students, how to write this one? X by y, y into dx, this is the form, y into dx minus x into dy, okay, by y square. That means v into u dash minus u into v dash. That equals to, dear students, the 3x square e power x cube dx equal to 0. After students, we can apply on both sides integrals. The derivative and integral cancel. We got x by y minus, dear students, the derivative of x cube is 3x square. When we are taking the x cube is the t, dear students, let the x cube equal to t, that is the 3x square into dx. When you taking the x cube is the t, that is 3x square into dx equal to dt. Therefore students, the 3x square into dx is the dt. Therefore this is the e power t dt. E power t dt is the e power t. E power t. T means x cube. That will become c. What students? The minus of, you can write the x by y minus e power x cube equals to constant. Okay students? Right. So here students, the dy by dx equal to 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. The differential equation, how to here apply the variable separable. This is the variable separable, the differential equation reducible to the variable separable method. So reducible to the variable separable method means, how can you reducible it is? The simple logic here students, the 3x plus y plus 4 is the t. Okay students, the 3x plus y plus 4 equal to t. Now we can take the 3 into derivative of x is the 1. This is the dy by dx, derivative of 4 0. This is the dt by dx. Understand students? Derivative of 3x 3, dy by dx, the derivative of 4 0, dt by dx. How can you write the students the dy by dx is? That can be written as the dt by dx minus 3 plus 3 sending other side minus 3. Dear student, this is very simple, t square. The dt by dx, dear student, this is the t square plus 3. Now this is we can take the variable separable method. How to write the students? That can be written as the dt by t square plus 3 equal to dx. So after you can apply the integral on both sides. The integral 1 by t square plus root 3 whole square dt integral 1 into dx. Dear students, we have to know that the integral 1 upon the x square plus a square dx is the formula students 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Dear students, the 1 by a is the here students 1 by root 3. The tan inverse of x by a is the t by root 3 equal to x plus c. Dear students, we are taking the t. What is the t students? 3x plus y plus 4. Now we can write the directly the 1 by root 3 tan inverse of t is nothing but 3x plus y plus 4 by root 3 equal to the x plus c. Okay students, this is the answer. Okay, the 1 by root 3 tan inverse of 3x plus y plus 4 by root 3 equal to x plus c. We are taking the students only the t. Okay, how can you write the dy by dx is dt by dx minus 3, right? Dear students, the dy by dx equal to sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. Dear students, first we take x plus y is the t, the derivative of x1, the dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Dear students, the dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1. Okay students, now we are substituting the instead of dy by dx is the students what you got dt by dx minus 1. This is students sin t. What students? Sin t plus cos t. Sin t plus cos t. Therefore students, the dt by dx equal to 1 plus sin t cos t. Now we can apply the variable separable method. What students? We can apply the variable separable method. That is, we can write dt by 1 plus sin t plus cos t equal to dx. 1 plus sin t plus cos t. Dear students, we can apply integral on both sides. How to write the students? First you can write 1 plus. The sin t is the formula 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Dear students, we can take 2t by 1 plus t square. The cos t is the 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. The dt is, you can write students, the dt can be written as 2 dt. How to write the students? We can write the dt can be written as, already the variable is the here t. We can write simply 2 dt by 1 plus t square. This is the x plus c. Where t is the, dear students, we can write where t is the tan of t by 2. What student? Where t is the tan of t by 2. the sin t 2 tan t by 2 by 1 plus tan square t by 2. Cos t is the 1 minus tan square t by 2 by 1 plus tan square t by 2. Therefore t is the tan t by 2. Dear students, when we are taking the LCM is what you got students? The integral 1 upon, when you take in the LCM is students, the integral 1 upon, the LCM is here 1 plus t square, denominator is cancelled. Now we can write students the 1 plus t square, the 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 2t plus 1 minus t square 2 dt equal to, that equal to x plus c. Okay students, now students, the integral of 2 dt by t square minus t square cancel, the 1 plus 1 is the 2, therefore 2 plus 2t equal to x plus c. Dear students, when you are taking the 2 is the common, that is integral of the dt by 1 plus t equal to x plus c. Dear students, the derivative of t is the 1, dt by 1 plus t is the log mod of t. What students we got? Log mod of 1 plus t equal to x plus c. This is the students, the base is sending other side, 1 plus t equal to e power x plus c. 1 plus t nothing but x plus y, e power x into e power c. Dear students, the 1 plus x plus y, the e power c is the constant, k into e power x. This is the formula. What students? 1 plus x. What students? That is, dear students, I make the small mistake where here. Here students, the first you can write the 1 plus t is the students here, the tan of x by 2, tan of t by 2, that equal to e power x into e power c. Therefore 1 plus tan, what is the tan is x plus y by 2 equal to e power x into k. Okay student, this is the answer. Suppose if you are taking, this is the u, this can be t. So suppose it will be the t, this can be u, that is enough. But I will take both are t, that's why I will take small confuse. What students? Here the sin t, that can be written as 2 tan theta by 2. 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. When you take in u, undoubtedly it will be easy for us. But I will take both of them t, that's why I can directly substitute the t is the x plus y. I got the wrong answer. Where it is the t, here students, the t is the tan of x by 2. After you can finally t is the x plus y. First we take the x plus y equal to u, then it is no problem. Are you understand students? These models already we completed in the trigonometry. Where is there sin theta, cos theta, then it, in case you can write 2t by 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Are you understand students? This is the method. Suppose we can take, undoubtedly, what students, suppose we are taking, this is the u, undoubtedly this is the du by dx. Therefore students, this is the du by dx, this is the sin u, this is the cos u, this is the sin u, this is the cos u, this is the du. What students? U cos u. Okay, now students, we can write sin u is the 2 tan, this is, how can you write this is students, 2 tan theta by 2 by, how to write, 2t by 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Du is the du by 1 plus t square. Where u, how to write the students, you can write where the tan theta by 2, the sin u, what is the sin u students? The sin u, you can take the, dear students, what you take the sin u? The sin u we can written as students, that will be taken as where the t equal to tan of u by 2. What is the students? That 2 tan u by 2 by 1 plus tan square u by 2. Tan u by 2 is the t. Then you can write, students, what you got here. This is everything is same. We can write undoubtedly where the t, what is the, students, what is the t is tan of, what is the t, tan of u by 2. What is the u, x plus y by 2. Are you clear, students? When you can take here, this is the 2 by 2 cancel, dt by 1 plus t. The derivative of t is the 1. F dash x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Is there base e? It is sending other side e power x plus c. What is the t is, students, here? The t is the tan of u by 2, where u is the x plus y by 2. Okay. Therefore, this is the formula. 1 plus tan of x plus y by 2 equal to e power x into k. Got it, student? Dear students, this is today. Please practice these questions. So right now you feel very easy, but after few days undoubtedly it will be, you can face difficult. So I am requesting you all, please practice and watch the videos. Okay, thank you all.